Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add apps shortcut to desktop in Windows 11. First thing first, click the Start button, which is the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type the name of the app downloaded from your Microsoft Store. When the app appears in the search results, right-click on it. You can select Pin to Taskbar to keep it easily accessible or click More, then Open File Location. If the Open File Location option isn't available, use a third-party tool like WinPin or Shortcut Creator. From the File Location window, right-click on the app icon, then choose Send to. Then Desktop, create a shortcut. Just note that some Microsoft Store apps are sandboxed, meaning they're stored in protected system folders. In enterprise or managed setups, they may need special permissions or policy tweaks to create the shortcut, and you've successfully found or created a shortcut for your Microsoft Store app, ready to launch directly from your desktop or taskbar. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.